Hey and welcome to the Flying Shapes tutorial. In this episode I'm going to show you how to use materials. So I have prepared a set of patches in my scene and I'm bringing up the menu here by pressing the menu button, and I can move it a bit over here. So you see the two rows at the bottom of the menu are the materials. These are simple plain colors. Let me show you what they look like. I can select things by pressing the select button, and when I go through the surfaces I select them. So once I've selected them, I can apply a different color, such as like red, blue, green, brownish, orange. Like I said, it's just the color. Unselecting them shows you the real color that behaves essentially like the gray color that's the default, so the user is not distracted. There are two special materials. One of them is the mirror. So when I select this, you see a mirror image of the surroundings. This can already give you an impression of the continuity between adjacent surface patches. And that's a very nice but only visual tool to see what the continuity looks like. If you want to really go into the details, you can use the zebra shader, as we call it. It's a diagnostic shader. So when you apply this material, you see that it just gives this texture, and you see when I change it, it actually changes with the position. So this is only for diagnostics. It's not meant to be like a static material. And this shows you when you see that there are jumps between this part of the lines and this part of the lines on the two patches, then you see that obviously the continuity or the transition is not smooth. You see this if you don't see it from one angle, you definitely see it from another one. And you also see this correspondingly in the mirror. Now let's switch this to continuous transition. For this I can just highlight it and press the mode button. That's also detailed in a dedicated video. And now I've enforced this transition, or this joint, to be G1 continuous, so to be smooth. And now you see that from whichever angle I choose, there are no jumps. So every line is connected and there are no jumps here. And I can do the same up here. When I select this and press the mode button, the same thing happens. You see there are no more jumps between the adjacent patches. Of course, there's still a change in continuity because it's only a G1 transition, but you can automatically enforce this, like the continuity, and you have these two tools, specifically the zebra shader, to really look into the details about the continuity between patches. So that's it for the materials. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment which additional materials you may need, which colors, which shaders, and stay tuned for the next episodes. Goodbye.